Hello everybody, Craig Lighthizer from CraigLighthizer.com. I'm so happy to share this $25 digital business with you. This is really an incredible offer, and I want to go through this page to show you exactly what you get with this business, how you can use it to your advantage, and how you can make 80% commissions with every sale that you make in this funnel. This is the page that you're going to eventually land on right here. When you come to this page, you're going to watch this video, but the more important thing is to go and take the time and read through everything that's on this page. It does the video. My good friend and business associate Nick Bramble does a great job in this video here explaining what the business is. But it's also worth going through and reading everything that's on this page, okay? The $25 all-in-one digital business, we will work with you to get you profitable right now. We're going to create a $100,000 residual income in 12 months or less. And we're going to give you, more importantly, this is one of the most valuable things, is it's going to give you a skill that you're going to be able to produce unlimited income for yourself at home. But you have to go and you have to work the business and you have to learn these skills, okay? They're not difficult to learn. We have all the training that's possible inside the HBA community. We have an amazing community of people that go out of their way to help you, and I'll get more into that as we get going here. But those are the three major things. And when we say we work with you, and I'll get into more of that a little bit later. But our goal is to build a community of heart-centered, principle-centered, and highly skilled entrepreneur with visions that change the world. All right, and this is very true. I know the people in here, and I've been with HBA for about 18 months now, and the amount of help that you get when you get stuck in this community is amazing. It really is. We have Facebook groups, we have Telegram groups, and everybody helps out to get your questions answered or if you get stuck in any way, okay? So here we go. Step one, our goal is to get you to profit quickly. This $25 all-in-one business pays you 80% commission. So every time you make a sale, you are going to get a $20 commission. So 2 sales, you're automatically in profit. 1 sale, the tool's only costing you $5. But we'll get you to 100K in 12 months or less. Whether or not your goal, by getting 1 to 2 sales a week, you can get yourself into 100K a month. Plus, like I said, you'll have these skills for life, all right? This is a proven model. We paid out $1.6 million in affiliate commissions since day one. You don't have to own any of your own products. You don't have to have any of your own websites. You don't have to deal with customer service. You don't have to worry about product delivery. You don't have to build any technical or crazy complicated funnels. They're really simple. We have all the templates you need to make any type of sales funnel or any type of page that you want inside the funnel builder. So what you're really getting is you're getting a funnel builder and a training to go along with that funnel builder. So here's the commissions that we've paid so far. Like I said, you got to completely read this page all the way down. This is one of our founders, Paul Hutchings. There's 2 people that started the company, Mike Hobbs and Paul Hutchings. 2 really excellent guys. I'll tell more about them later. But Paul has a video here. Please watch this video on this page, okay? Do that for sure. We call ourselves the Freedom Crusaders because our goal is to get as many people job-free and financially independent so that you can do the things that you want to do in your life. You don't have to have a boss. I remember when I was working for people, I would have that sickening feeling in my stomach that I got to go work on somebody else's dream on Monday morning. And I just always hated that feeling. And that's why I like to be an independent guy and be my own boss. So, and if you want that, this is the system that can get this to you. We pay 80% commissions. We also have what's called HBA Premium, which I'm going to show you in the back office here in just a second. But premium is $125 and you get paid an 80% commission. So you get paid $100 on premium. And then we also have, excuse me, 506. You get up to $120 per customer for the funnel builder and HBA Premium. So let's just take a look at this and see how this works, okay? Let's just see if this is possible. Just one sale, generate one all-ins per week, and you're going to make $74,000, $74,800 per year. You make 2 sales a week, you're at $149,000. 3 sales a week, you're at $224,000. But the beautiful thing is that once you make these sales, these come in every single month. You don't have to go out and start the new month with some high ticket offer and try to get new customers that only pay you affiliate commissions one time. This pays you 80% residual income month after month after month. So you do the work one time and you get paid for it over and over again, kind of like AT&T does with your phone bill. I mean, they don't work any extra harder to get your business after they've had you as a customer. In fact, they are kind of doing it now, but that's how this works, and this is the type of income that you can get. Also, read this income disclaimer down here, just so that you know you have to work this business. There's no such thing as a free lunch, and you have to work it. You have to put it in there. But once you do and you understand the concepts behind it, you'll be able to move forward with your business. So again, go all the way down through this page. These are some of the bonuses we give you. You get the funnel builder tool. Okay, everything else is 100% free. You're going to get the Funnel Builder Academy, which has training. I'm going to show you that here in a minute too, all the way through. That's a $97 value. We're going to get the 30-minute workday. I'm going to show you how you can get that and download that book. We also have it available on audiobook as well. You get the Freedom Launchpad course. That's a $495 value, and you get that free for life. Fantastic. It goes through and explains everything about affiliate marketing. Done for you templates already done. We have a ultimate traffic swipe file. That's free for life. That's $127 value. Instant traffic avalanche. How to get avalanche of your perfect customers in 24 hours or less. This traffic formula is really fantastic. You get the 100K people. This is a great thing on how to use Facebook. This is really excellent. And also you get the ultimate email swipe. This is for you. You can take, there's 50 set of emails that Mike Hobbs paid like $450 for a professional copywriter to write. And all you got to do is basically model that same email, and you can add those into your autoresponder and send those out to your list. Okay? You get the 3 simple emails that you type in one time that turn leads into sales quickly on autopilot for life. You get that. And here's the 50 free ones that we were talking about that was done by the copywriters. This is our community. You also get access to our Freedom Crusaders community. We also have a daily morning call at 9 a.m. Eastern time that you can dial in on the phone and listen to. It's a great mastermind. Helps get your day started. We have monthly masterminds with the Funnel Builder, and on Premium you have them even every Monday, and we have them daily as well. This is the Grow Rich call that I was talking about. And just keep going down. Also, we also provide, for every sale, we also provide Feed My Starving Children. It's our charity, and so far we've donated 90,000 meals, so it's a pretty good cause as well, so it helps. This is Paul Hutchings. He's one of the co-founders. You can read about him. This is Mike Hobbs. He's one of the co-founders. You can read about him. Mike's a very technical guy, computer technical, and I get on Mastermind with him every day, and it's worth its weight in gold. It really is. And Paul is a funny guy, really heart-centered, and really knows how to market too. But then I'm going to go down here. These are all testimonials from Keisha LaShawn, who's just a great marketer and well-respected in the industry. And these are just all some of the people that are in here in our group with us. So go ahead, read this, watch all these videos. But I want to point you to one thing. When you get down to this page and you fill this out, when you decide to get this today, make sure you click this button right here, okay? Yes, I want this free access. And what it does is it opens up HBA Premium for you for 2 weeks, 2 full weeks. The reason we do this is we want you to get in and learn more about the community and learn more what HBA has to offer. And if you get in for $25 today, you're going to get access to all this information for 14 days. So when you do this and you do check this box, I want to show you where you're going to be sent to or where you're going to see in the back office so that you can take full advantage of these 14 days and make sure that HBA is something that that you want. This is in our back office right here. We have, first let me go to the affiliate section here. When you become an affiliate, you go through these quick start videos, but I wanted to show you, we've got all these. You just click on this drop down. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 6 different done for you funnels that all you got to do is just change out the information, change out some forms, that it goes to your autoresponder, and you can have all of these done for you funnels, okay? In the premium traffic conversions, this is what I'm saying. When you get 2 weeks in here, look at all this stuff you get in here. You got the invisible step to freedom, audio masterminds, keeping track of your passwords, setting up your browsers for bookmarks, all these different things. Then we've got in here free traffic methods, launching your business, irresistible invitations, nourishing and following up with your leads, blogging, YouTube ranking. This YouTube course right here, I mean, when you decide to become an affiliate marketer, you got to figure out how you're going to market, or you're going to have to tackle some ways to market. I particularly choose YouTube because it's a search engine and has massive amounts of reach, and I can optimize my videos to get more people to see what my offers are. And so in this YouTube ranking course, this is pure gold right here. I mean, it goes through everything from setting up your channel to doing keyword research, the tools that you need, creation tips, the proper YouTube formula, all this. Mike and Paul have taken thousands of dollars of YouTube training courses, and they've put what they learned in these courses right here. This YouTube is absolute gold mine. Also, a lot of people have this right here, this free Facebook ad method. It's how you can get unlimited amount of leads from Facebook, and it's just something that I really want to point your attention to get your direction to, and something that I would definitely look at in your first 14 days of using premium. So, also we've got paid traffic. We've got great solo ad training, Facebook ad training, Facebook video ads training. Then we have these get sales, 13-point conversion formula, how to close online leads, insider conversion secrets, getting your team's members started off right, which is very valuable. Then we have these bonus trainings. We've got daily audio gold mine. We've got all these different things in here. And then here's where you get your ultimate email traffic swipe, the email swipe training, the ultimate traffic swipe training, and the 50 done for you emails, okay? That's where you get that. Oh, also I wanted to show you this too. Get coaching live right here. On Monday nights, we have Monday nights at 8 p.m. every day, 8 p.m. Eastern. We have our company-wide Zoom call on every Monday night. We have 9 a.m. Grow Rich calls. And then every day at 11 o'clock, I just want to show you this too. Every day we have over-your-shoulder training with Paul and Mike. You can see right here they're doing a Zoom call here. And every single one of these trainings is recorded and logged in this back office. And one of them has a kind of a headline on them. But if you're in for the first 14-day trial, you want to come here and just take a look to see what it is that Mike and Paul do on a daily basis, that they allow us to look over their shoulder on a daily basis. This information, guys, is invaluable, especially if you want to make money online. This is just absolutely something else. So that's kind of where it is, but what's going to happen is in the pinned post below, you're going to get to this page right here. What you need to do is fill out your name and your email address, and you're going to get sent to this page right here. And this, once you get this page, there's going to be a video here from my friend Nick that is an excellent video. Watch that. You're going to click here to open up the escape plan, and that is the book that you can download or put it on your phone or read it when you can. But it's 183 pages of absolute mind-blowing marketing information about how you can make money in affiliate marketing online. This book is invaluable. And then this, once you click here, this is going to take you to this page that I just got done going over, okay, with you. And you just can watch that video when you're ready. But again, read everything on this page. One of the other cool things before I close this video out, by the way, if you've gotten any value at this point, give me a thumbs up and give me hit that like button. I would appreciate that. And subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to do a lot of trainings on this and other ways you can make money online. But one of the things that we can do is we can become affiliates for, like, Amazon, for example. If you wanted to sell, let's just say, let's say I was going to get this green screen here. All right, I can become an affiliate. I can just go in here and go get my link here, and where is it? Get link. Oh, texting. Yeah, there's the text. Or you can get a link with an image, or you can get the link with text and image. Okay, that create a. But I can take any one of these products on Amazon, get my link, put it on a page in the funnel builder, and anytime somebody clicks on this, on my link, my referral link, I get a commission for it. Okay, everybody's got Walmart, Amazon. Everybody's got an affiliate program. That's just the way of the online world these days, going to it. But let me just take one more quick minute here, and I'm going to show you inside the funnel builder real quick. You have to log in separately. Well, I'm just going to do it real quick. And I want to just show you the different types of funnels that you can create while you're in here. All right, this is the Done For You escape plan. That's the one I have set up on my root domain. But I just recently found this new app. Okay, it's called Instant Recall. I'm going to show you. It's just a free app, but I've been using it. I put a video on here. I put this, my name and information, where you can get the app, having nothing to do with HBA or anything like that. But I'm using it to collect leads. But that's what the page looks like. Also, Acorns, let me just show you that. Acorns, the investment app. We also have kind of a semi-funnel that you can copy. And right now, if you get 5 people sign up for your Acorns account, they deposit $600 in your account. So I wanted to just show you that real quick. And this is just a simple page as well. And it shows you how you can flip. You can flip $8 by investing $8 in Acorn into, this one ended on December 18th, and you can flip it into $600. And we have training on how you can set this funnel up. And you just put it out there, and people come in and sign up for Acorns, and with your referral link, and you're making commissions. So it's a beautiful thing. The funnel builder itself is very easy to use. The training inside of it is very self-explanatory, and you should be able to navigate it. However, I am here to help you in any way possible. You have direct access to me when you join today, and I will be more than happy to help you out, get you started in the right way. But realtors use this website, or realtors use this funnel builder for putting up their listings. People that sell on Amazon and eBay create their own pages with this. SD Shopify. You can build membership sites with this. You can do anything. Create appointments. A booking widget it has on here that you can book appointments. It's really a spectacular builder, and it's only $25. And here's the thing: most builders out there today, I mean, they're starting at $100. Most of them start at $100. This one's $25 and pays you 80% commission. So, with that, guys, I guess again, I just want to kind of recap. You're going to go get to this page, and you're going to read everything on this page. All right, do not miss a word. Read it all. And with that, just come down to the bottom, get yourself signed up, and make sure you click that button I showed you earlier to get access to premium for 14 days, and hit that green button, and you'll get started. If you got any questions, reach out to me whatsoever. Put a comment below. I'd like to hear your thoughts. But for anybody that's working in the gig economy, driving for DoorDash, Uber, whatever, if you've got this thing in your arsenal and you get this thing set up right, and you just send out a couple of emails a day and go about your business, this is running in the background all day long while you're out DoorDashing or doing your gig economy thing. So this is it. This is a great thing. HBA is a really great company, and it's fun to be a member of it. So with that, guys, get started today, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks very much. Have a great day.